Hello, I am Tiga Giesbach from Germany, and I'm having such a wonderful time lying here on the sofa with this very special yellow thing in front of me, which my food tin and door openers call a book. But if you ask me, this is not a normal book. This is something very special. I love to lie there in front of it and to feel all these wonderful vibrations of love and light going directly to me and my tummy, which hurts quite often because I have a weak pancreas, and this is giving me the most wonderful time without any cramps and pain in my abdomen when I'm lying here to digest what my food tin openers have given to me. I would really recommend to all of you to get one of these wonderful books also. Goodbye. See you next time.